Coming out of my cage and I've been doing just fine. Gotta get down because I want it all. It started out with a kiss, how did it end up like this? It was only a kiss, so it was only a kiss. Now I'm falling asleep and she's calling a cab and is having a smoke and she's taking a drag and now they're going to bed. And my stomach is sick and it's all in my head, but she's touching his chest. Now he takes off her dress, now letting me go. And I just can't look, it's killing me and taking control. And jealousy turning sinks into the sea, turn and swim into sweet lullabies and choking on their alibi. But it's just the price I pay, and destiny is calling me. Open up my eager eyes, 'cause I'm Mr. Brightside.